is Eva. Today I'm so happy to be here to show you about how to install these products in the kitchen room. Because normally we always thought it's so difficult about this central water softener to install it. But today I would like to show you even the young lady also can very easily to install it. Okay, so before I start going to show you, I'm going to sharing about the box inside of this. This is our new function, and this is up look you can see with the green and black color. It's so nice and classy. You also can use it as a gift for your friends during the Christmas holiday. And this is inside of the product, so you can see here with our logo Brisk. Why we call that? Because we want to be your water healthy butler. That's why. Okay, so now I'm going to take it off and show you how to install in this part there. Okay, so now we can see this is a connector, but this I must to mention about this is only from in China, and then we use this to connect with the central water softener because we're using the USA's pipe with to make this kinds of testing. That's why we must to use this to make the different transfer. But when you receive these products, you will exactly connect it very tightly. So now I'm going to show you about how I make this very easily. Okay, so now you can see you just it's very easy to turn it off and then until you couldn't make it move. Okay, but now you can see this is the other side. Okay, it's the same way. You don't need to worry about this small space because in US we would give you exactly the correct connector based on your style. Okay, so now we can see we finished, and I'm going to show you about how to connect with our. Now, in order to make this fitable size to connect with the pipe, we must to use this pencil to make it the signal, and then we can know where we cut it correct way. Because later on we must use the electronic machine to make this cut. Okay, so now you can see here and this area. Okay, ready. Now I must make you to know about this very important step, which is turn off the banner of this water tap. Therefore, we can, in order to make sure there's no water go inside of the tap when we install this machine. Okay, now let's use these scissors to make this cut. And we must to maintain about this position way is like this 90 degree, okay? Okay, so now let's start.
Yes.
Now this is going to the very essential part, and we have to make sure this with very tightly connection. Okay, now we see this degree is 330, so it's enough hot, and then we use it to connect with this tap. Okay, so now let's see. This is Brisk, our product, and we have to maintain about this water flow from this way. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, now we can see we connect very heavily. Okay, then we can see it's successfully maintained. Okay, so now everything is ready. We have to test if this has any pipe linkage. Okay, so firstly, we only turn on this 45 degree. So only this very gently and see if there has any linkage issue. You can see. Okay, and now let's check. Okay, so we have to focus on these two space. Okay, so now let's turn on the whole degree of this pump because we can see there's no any linkage when we only switch on 45 degree. So now let's switch on the whole. So you can see here, and let's see. Okay, so now you can see the whole pump, there's no linkage at all, which means we successfully installed it. Well done, Brisk, your water healthy butler.